Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications. Hello everyone. Today's recipe is rich and creamy delicious dessert made with Phool Makhana kheer. This delicious kheer is North Indian festival special, mostly prepared on Vrat and fastings during Navaratri. Preparation is also very quick and simple, so let's get started. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and please don't forget to hit like button if you like this recipe. First, heat the pan. To this add 2 teaspoons ghee and let ghee melt on a medium heat. Once ghee melts, to this add 1 cup Phool Makhana. Fry on a low to medium flame until makhana turns crisp. It takes around 7 to 8 minutes, so keep stirring between. After 7 to 8 minutes, crush and check if makhana is crisp. Once makhana is crisp, turn off the flame. Now transfer this fried makhana to the plate. Before that, take 1/4 cup of makhana separately and make it into a coarse powder. Adding this coarse makhana powder gives a nice creamier texture to the kheer. Now heat the pan and add 2 cups full fat milk and let it come to a boil. Keep stirring from the bottom to prevent milk from burning. Once milk comes to a boil, add fried makhana to the milk. Also add coarse makhana for creamier texture. Keep stirring often and cook on a medium flame until makhana turns soft. Keep stirring in between to prevent milk from burning. Once makhana turns soft and reduces its size, add 1/4 cup sugar, or you can add sugar according to your taste. 1 teaspoon freshly grounded cardamom powder. Stir well with the milk and cook until milk reduces to half. Keep stirring often by scraping milk from all the sides of the pan. Once milk reduces to half, soak 7 to 8 saffron strands in warm milk and add it to the kheer. Next add 7 to 8 chopped almonds, 7 to 8 chopped cashews, 7 to 8 chopped pistachios. Stir well with the milk and cook for another minute. Once milk turns to thick and creamier consistency, scrape milk from all the sides of the pan and turn off the flame. A delicious makhana kheer is ready. Definitely try this recipe and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.